If you want to add fingerprint into your Samsung Galaxy A26 5G, you have to start by opening settings, and then you will have to scroll down and navigate for lock screen. Then you will have to go into screen lock and biometrics, input your current screen lock, and move into fingerprints. Now click continue, click register, and now the sensor is located right here with the power key, so you will have to place your finger on the sensor and rise when you get the percentage progress. Let's do this one more time. Okay, you can even move your finger like this. You don't have to rise it, you can just move it like that. Move to the left side, to the right side. That's how it actually looks. Take a look. So that's actually the different way to add the fingerprint. Previously, we have to actually rise our finger and put it back, but now we can just simply click add, and now we can just go back, and as you can see, we successfully add a fingerprint.